Hey man,
anticipate lots of people are going to show up.
the first one, the gate is body image. So that is what you, the first part, next semester for Master 51. I think maybe first 2 weeks you do at least. So this is the first. You should do today.
So if we're not studying at the beginning of the class,
What?
we're not studying the material at the beginning of the class?
Today?
Yeah.
I will give you some simple practice problem for final because final is accumulated from the first class to the end. So I will give you some different parts.
All over the.
Over final. Today is the second class. Tomorrow is the very last one. And no more use JDSM. So yeah. Yeah, sure.
Did you sign?
Yeah.
I didn't sign it. Okay. Here?
Right. Oh, yeah.
Well, I think for the first years in engineering, we only take courses. That's true. Let's see, how would I do this? Notifications. Okay.
I think I might have it. Did you get?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm remembering.
I do this. So here we just class 3 sign it should be 0, right? Non-recurrent, denominator. In future, we will call that this is a kind of format. So what should you do right now? Factor it. Yeah, factor the top. So it should be like x plus 3, multiply x minus 3 over x minus 3, right? Then you can, because it's close to 3, it's not exactly equal to 3, so you can just cancel x minus 3. So it can be changed to equal to image that's close to 3 x plus 3. Now you can answer is like 6, right? That is the one of the format what may you have in the final. Okay. So that is the first one. So let me just go over from the very first class to the very beginning. That is you can get into more theory. I see. Okay, second one is still limit, but it's still limit. You just use the one skills. If you know that, it should be easy. Now it will be really hard. Square root x plus h minus square root x over h. Okay, that is the second one.
Wait, who is one?
I don't know.
You got it?
That's not right. That's not right.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. This one. Yeah. So what's the final answer? You don't know what it is? And no, you said the final result, the answer should only have x inside. Here still have h, right?
Yes.
So that is not right. Because h is really close to 0. You can just see.
Yeah, but I have it. I'm adding x.
So yeah, x plus h, x plus 0 is x, right?
Oh, fuck. So,
Yeah.
so this is the answer.
Okay, so
Oh,
oh yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. You got it? Okay. So here, just like another way, I think maybe you have final. Still, is like is h0 just plug in should be 0 over 0, right?
Yeah.
It's also a kind of format. So what should you do here? Remember this one?
All right.
It's equal to A minus B, right? So that's what we have here. It's like so that is the answer. It should be here. Okay.
Over h. X plus a. And that results in
You got it?
x over 8. What is that? What is
What?
x? Is that an x or an h?
That's an H. Because
Yeah. Oh, you can't. Okay. I was like wondering, what is that letter? H over h. This is helpful because it indicates to me what I need to work on, such as, well, this, because I can't remember. I can never seem to remember how to do this.
Okay, so we just go another one.
Well, I'm good.
I think you guys not really familiar like the graph. So this one is also derivative, but this is the original graph, and I can tell you where is okay. Okay, easy enough. I give you these points. And promote the derivative of this function below this same graph. And yeah, this should give me some like exactly values on my special points. Let's use another color pen to draw the derivative of this graph in the same graph. Yeah, derivative of that. You can do that just in 3D.
The derivative is a slope. Derivative is a slope at a point. Is it like this?
You got it?
I don't know.
No.
No.
No. Remember what is the derivative for this kind of graph? So.
This is an absolute value graph, right? In that case, it's not something like that. I think I have it.
Especially for some people that should know better. Yeah. My niece was
I think I have it.
You got it?
I think I have it, though I'm pretty sure it's wrong. I don't. Because
Yeah, it's right.
really?
But her
Yes.
ACT scores
Yes.
Huh.
she's like, people gave it that.
So it's different, right?
No, it's different. You know, like
She wants to
separate. At the end and right hand, you can see that.
Okay, so what's the answer?
This side is right, but think about the left side. What should be derivative? The right hand side is right.
Yeah. So what is here? No, I mean, what is the value here? Oh, here is the yeah. You got it?
think about it here. The first case for like for this kind of function, the derivative is just a smoke, right? The derivative is a smoke. It's kx plus b is y, so the derivative of y is just k. Is the derivative. So think about it. What is the k actually? It's a constant, right? It's a number. So maybe it looks weird, but that's true in the graph.
Is it the right one? And one of them we do Saturday. I also look at this.
Wait for this one. So you need to know what is the original functions, right? Use these 3 points. You can know for the right hand side should be y equal x, right? For the left hand side should be y equal to x, right? So what is the smoke for y equal to x? What is smoke here? It's 1, right? So here, negative, right? So you just you do this 1, this is negative 1. Right hand side, negative 1, right? The right hand side should be just that's the derivative of this 1. Okay? So let's do a trig equation for the next one. So can you help me to solve this equation? 2 sine squared theta plus 3 sine theta minus 2 equal to 0 on the interval of 0 to 2 pi. Okay?
Okay, so this is the two.
too.
Okay.
I don't know how to factor that.
This two.
And how do you factor that?
Is this a homework?
Yeah.
I cannot really.
How do you factor this? It's not. Oh my god, I hate factoring.
You don't really get, I don't really care about these three, right? So the slope is like this three, right?
Yeah.
So, but here is negative 2, right? You know what I mean?
No. What do you mean?
You already get this is 3.
Yeah.
Value here is negative 2.
Here is negative 2?
Why is negative 2?
Oh, because I got the derivative of this function.
Here, practically I cannot really help you to do. Is it overdue or something? Or this is your upcoming?
No, this is the upcoming one.
So I cannot really do that. But I can tell you like you can find the slope, right? If you find the slope, just get this to be the k, right?
Okay.
So I'm just plugging.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I have no idea how to factor this at all.
It's okay. Just try it. And then you show you.
Like, I've tried every single which way and I just can't. Do it. I just can't. Why am I unable to do this? I think I just. There we go.
I was also for that. You can hear, right? Sine theta is equal to 1/2.
Yeah.
So
Sine.
remember sine pi over 3 is square root 3 over 2 is not 1/2. And here it should be 2 answer.
Oh,
Is it so and still another one.
No, but the other one is sine.
Yeah, no, but for the sine theta equal to 1/2, you should have 2 answers.
Oh,
yeah, right?
Yeah. Should then
So how can you convert to pi?
Pi over
5 pi over 6.
Yes.
You got it? Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so I will show you.
I squared it.
And this question you can just think in your heart of your man first. You just take
I
sine
squared it.
theta to the x. So you set
Yeah.
2x squared plus 3x minus 2.
Then you get something that's very difficult to factor.
2x x plus 2 minus 1. Before x minus x is 3x, right? Negative 1 multiplied 2 is negative 2. 2x multiply x 2x squared should be 2x minus 1 multiply x plus 2, right? Is equal to 0. So just because we use sine theta to be 2 sine theta minus 1 multiply sine theta sine theta plus 2 is equal to 0.
I've
So-
never seen factoring like that.
So sine theta is equal to 1/2 or negative 2, right?
I know.
But here, as we know, sine theta the varies from negative 1 to 1. So we cannot get this answer. So sine theta can only be 1/2, right? Then you can search for some cell in your domain. You can know in this interval there should be pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. That's you. I can show you from the interval circle. That's like this. This is interval circle, right? Should be here and here.
What is
5 over
factoring
6. What do you say? What do you say?
I never seen factoring like that before.
But I already didn't know that. Yeah.
I'm,
Is that clear today?
I'm just unsure of the. I guess I keep getting stuck on the factoring and just I don't know what that cross method is.
But how you professor teach you that?
I don't know.
He just said we had to try out stuff, but that's the same thing.
Yeah, same here, right? Yeah, I see the professors just showing my same way. That it's really basic. I remember you do that. Okay. So you do the next one.
There we go.
Also solve the trig equation. Help you to know cosine 2 theta plus cosine theta equal 0. Still on the interval 0 to 2 pi. Yes, we have
Snow tomorrow.
this one.
No, but you couldn't see it. This one that I told you really neat. Look at this. Look how neat that is. I know what everything is. Cosine. I would go on Monday.
Cosine 2 theta plus cosine theta. There's a thing. I remember a thing and I can't remember it. I can't recall it.
I don't know. Monday.
Cosine 2 theta plus cosine theta.
Oh, okay.
Cosine A plus cosine B.
On Monday. Why Monday? Isn't it?
Cosine A is cosine.
You need to know what is cosine 2 theta can be converted to cosine theta.
What?
What is cosine 2 theta equal to?
Oh, it's just cosine theta. Cosine 2 theta is just
Okay, I
just
don't need to know
cosine
what
theta. You just add two
Oh, no.
cosines. Because it has a period of 1.
Yeah, use the formula, okay? This is the formula you should memorize in your mind. Or just check the notes or something else.
The one is the formulas for cosine. Where is the cosines?
Okay.
You need to do well on this. I can't seem to figure it out. Cosine. Cosine is formula 9. So we cosine 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. I don't know when the final is. I try to figure out when.
Does that make sense though? No, that doesn't make sense. I don't know. I'll have it for Monday.
Okay, now let's.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's cosine, wait, it's cosine A cosine. Cosine squared minus. Yeah, yeah. No, yeah, yes, yeah, no, yes, just go with me.
So will the professor write like the some formula sheet or something on the exam?
I think so.
Do they give you some like formula sheet?
Unfortunately, no.
Okay, so you should
From what I
memorize the
understand.
formula, okay? Okay, I can give you some hints. Before exam, if you just always like move some new questions, that will just bother your feelings and you make like how to say upset or something else. So my teacher told me that before final exam, just have a good attitude and calm down. So what you do, just look over some notes and memorize some formula and just some simple questions. Don't keep looking some new questions or something else. You cannot always know everything. If you know that, you don't need to go to class. So just memorize some really basic knowledge. That's fine. Especially if this professor don't provide you some like some formula sheet or something else.
If there were a formula sheet, I wouldn't be freaking out as much. But then again, that would remove the challenge from the
It's
final.
fine?
No, it's not. It's not right. I will show you later.
Okay.
Here. Cool.
That's okay. I'm so here, am I doing fine?
Two sine plus
Steam, okay?
two cosine theta plus one. Cosine of one. No, it's not.
Give the bad news. The worst news doesn't.
Cosine of 2 times cosine theta plus 1. 2 times cosine theta plus 1. Oh, I'm done. Long right on this. Oh wait. We're allowed calculators on the test, right? Like the basic calculators.
What do you mean?
Are we? Do we get basic calculators on the test or no?
You mean calculator is like a calculator, right?
Like not like a graphing calculator, because obviously that would be
Maybe not, right? No.
a normal calculator.
I think a normal calculator.
Yeah. So I might as well make use of it. Oh wait, it wouldn't be able to tell me what that is.
A picture? Okay, you teach them to that you want? Okay. Okay. This one.
Why can't I figure this out? It should
Okay, it doesn't matter. First,
yeah.
tell me what is cosine 2 theta equal to
Cosine theta, 2 cosine theta plus
no?
2 sine theta.
Cosine squared
No.
theta minus sine squared theta.
Oh, 2 cosine theta
No.
minus 2 sine theta.
You don't want
2 cosine theta minus 2 sine
2
theta.
cosine theta what?
Minus
2 cosine theta what?
2 cosine theta.
Square,
2 cosine squared theta minus 1.
right? 4
Oh,
is equal to cosine square theta minus sine square theta, right? And then
Why would
cosine.
is equal to 2 cosine square theta minus 1, right?
yeah?
Then just change that to cosine 2 theta. You will know how to factor it, just like similar to this. To this, right?
Take
This is just sine theta, this is cosine theta. Like a 2 cosine square theta. What is it?
Took me way too long to factor.
So you should know that, or you cannot do it that cosine theta -1 equals 0, right?
Yeah.
Then begin to factor it. Okay?
And I'm at the end, I just can't remember how to figure out what the zeros are. Because I'm that oblivious. Oh. The -1/2.
This is 2 cosine theta,
Right.
cosine theta,
And our solution set is within this.
1, right?
2 pies.
Right?
Where did you get the cosine theta from? That cosine theta.
Yeah, that is exactly the same. Because cosine 2 theta is equal to 2 cosine square theta -1. This one is exactly the same as this one.
Oh, it makes sense.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you know cosine theta is equal to 1/2 or -1, right?
Yeah.
And then show me your final result.
Well, wait. So -1 cosine of -1. Solution set 0.25. So that's the top. Cosine is cosine is on. Why can't I remember what unit circle?
Do you got it?
I'm just
I
figuring
think it's 1/2.
the power and then we would be able to.
Yeah. Exactly. But cosine pi over 3 is equal to 1/2. Sine pi over 6 is equal to 1/2. That's easy.
Cosine pi over 3.
Cool, man. I think you're really clear. You're really nice.
Sine
Yes, good.
is on 1.
Is it easy
No,
to
some
join
zeros.
RTC? Is it easy to join RTC?
It's a bit of work to do everything.
You do
Cosine
draw and
is
one
cosine.
Right.
Not every morning, but like officially you do it once a week.
1/2.
So you still do the so
1/2.
Yes. She said once I graduate,
RV military
I'll be Navy, because that's the branch I decided to join.
That's good. We'll be safety, right? We do more safety than
So it can be safer.
the army is just
The army is full of crazy people.
Pi over 3. Or, no, it can't be both.
army.
Where's my razor? Yeah, right.
Ah no, I give you the intervals 0 to 2 pi. You are really.
Oh,
So here,
okay.
this thinking is really nice in the future.
Okay, I didn't see the
That's fine.
Yeah, but then.
But we have 3 answers for the final.
Yeah, sure. Cause there's one here, like negative.
Yeah.
That's 300. Is it that one? This thing? Okay.
So the answer should be pi over 3,
Yeah. That's it.
5 pi over 3,
5 pi?
and pi, right?
5 pi over 3. Oh, wait, yeah.
Okay. Here's what we have today. So tomorrow real session will be very last, so you can come on.
So what time is it? I'm
What?
scared. Oh, what time is it?
Tomorrow is 5 to 6. 5 to 6 at night.
I'm gonna be